Welcome to my YouTube channel Mr. Math 11. Today we are going to find the value of m and n where 2 power m into 3 power n is equal to 72 and 2 power n into 3 power m is equal to 108. So first of all we have to write solution. Now rewrite the same question. 2 power m into 3 power n is equal to 72. 2 power n into 3 power m is equal to 108. This is equation number 1 and this will be equation number 2. 2 power m into 3 power n into 2 power n into 3 power m is equal to 72 into 108. Now same base power 8, 2 power m plus n into same base power 8, 3m plus n is equal to 72 multiplied by 108. It will be 7776. This is on the basis of the formula a power m plus n is equal to a power m dot a power n. Now it will be right as 2 into 3 power same, it become whole power m plus n is equal to 7776. It will be on the basis of the formula a power m dot b power m is equal to ab whole power m because power are same. Now 2 3s are 6, m plus n is equal to, here will be 6 power 5. Now base same power equal, m plus n is equal to 5. This equation will be labeled as equation A. This will be on the basis of the formula a power m is equal to a power n. It means m is equal to n because bases are same. Now divide equation 1 by 2. So here equation 1 is this and equation 2 is this. So equation 1 divided by equation 2. So here will be 2 power m into 3 power n is equal to 2 power n into 3 power m is equal to 72 divided by 108. Now bases same, power subtract because bases are in division form. So 2 power m minus n into, here will be same, 3n minus m. Now 36 divides 72 2 times and 108 3 times. So here will be 2 upon 3. Now coming to the next step, 2 power m minus n into 3 minus get common, m minus n is equal to 2 upon 3. So here will be 2 power m minus n into 1 upon 3 m minus n because power is in negative. On the basis of the formula x inverse 1 is equal to 1 upon x is equal to 2 upon 3. It will be arranged as 2 power m minus n over 3 power m minus n is equal to 2 upon 3. So here will be rewrite as 2 upon 3 whole power m minus n is equal to 2 upon 3. On the basis of the formula a power m over b power m is equal to a over b whole power m. So here power is 1. So bases same, power equal. So here will be m minus n is equal to 1. So this equation named as equation B. So now add equation A and B. Equation A is m plus n is equal to 5. Equation B is m minus n is equal to 1. This is equation A. This is equation B. Now add plus n minus n cancel. So m plus n 2m is equal to 6. So finding the value of m, to replace another side, m is equal to 6 by 2, then m is equal to 3. Now finding the value of n, put m is equal to 3 in equation A or B as you wish. So m plus n is equal to 5. This is equation A. Now put m is equal to 3 plus n is equal to 5. Then finding the value of n replace another side, 5 minus 3. So n is equal to 2. So the final answer, m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2. Now check these values, either right or wrong. Put these values in the equation which are given initially. This equation and this. Now m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2. Put in any equation. So 2 per m means 3 into 3 per n means 2 is equal to 72. So here 8 into 9, 72. So 8 nines are 72, 72 proved. It means these values of m and n are right.